there, financial advisor. I want you to stop sending your client to places like Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard. But you gotta know the secret to what commands having a bigger wallet share of your client's assets. Do you want to know what will actually keep them from doing business with your competitors? Well, I want to show you a framework that I use to grow my revenue by 645% from my existing clients within 12 months. It will not only help you keep your clients from using your competitors, but help you grow your revenue too. Hey, it's Don with the RA Launch Academy and founder of the 10 Steps to a Six-Figure Financial Services Firm. I help my clients break away from the broken dealer. And today, we're going to dive right into two things that you need to know to increase wallet share, which will help you grow your revenue and keep your clients from using your competitors, and the 4 offer types that will help you do that. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I use just one offer type, resulting in a 645% increase in my revenue for my business inside of 12 months. The first thing you need to know is to increase wallet share with your clients, you're gonna have to make more offers. Now, in coaching dozens and dozens of financial professionals and looking through all their business models, I know for a fact that the main reason your existing clients aren't spending more money with you is because you don't have enough offers. A mentor of mine taught me this. The great Dr. Myron Golden says it this way: there are hundreds, if not thousands, if not tens of thousands of people that are willing to buy what you offer. It's just that they don't know you exist. So you have to make yourself findable and you have to make more offers. Now, to show you just how simple this could be to implement for your business, I'm gonna give you a modern day example. Let's take Apple, for instance. This is a company that does an excellent job. They're a $1 trillion company, so they're doing something right. Well, they sell you an iPhone, but when you buy that iPhone, you don't stop there, right? You need a case to protect the investment. And you probably require a pop socket or some type of holder for the phone. My wife buys these little strap things that she puts across her shoulder like a purse or something. Then you need to buy apps for the phone. Then you need to also insure the phone just in case you drop it or lose it or it gets stolen, so on and so on and so on. All these different avenues are partnerships that allow Apple to have a $1 trillion brand or be partnered with companies that make money off of this model. They've essentially solved one problem, which is the iPhone, a communication device, and created many streams of revenue from creating additional problems that their ideal clients need solutions to. And if you structure your offers this way, you'll have a business that solves most, if not all, of your ideal clients' problems. Now, I go into some great detail on ways to uncover those problems in another video. And you can find that link to that video down in the description below. But let's move on to the second thing you need to know to increase wallet share with your clients. The second thing you need to know is to give them what they need. I know, it sounds a little simple, but bear with me. NEED is an acronym that I developed to help me remember this concept of structuring offer types, and I'm going to show it to you right now. The N in NEED stands for the need addressed offer. It's like the lead magnet we've talked about in previous videos. It is the one thing that literally makes it a no-brainer for your clients to engage further with you or to move to the next step in your sales funnel if they're a prospect. Perhaps they take a quiz that reveals a problem that they have, or downloads an ebook or a case study or a guide from you that allows them to see where their problem is and that you have diagnosed a solution for them, and it continues to have this exchange of value being offered and you collect information from them. The E is going to stand for an essential service offer, which is kind of like your calling card or what you want to be known for. Let's say you're a real estate professional and perhaps you offer a comparative market analysis or a CMA if someone is thinking about selling their home. It's a relatively low ask and low effort for you, but it contains tremendous value to your ideal client avatar and is directly tied to your economic engine, which is helping them buy and sell real estate. As an insurance professional, perhaps you offer a life needs analysis to see if people are underinsured or overpaying in their risk management portfolio, which is also going to help you sell more insurance policies. Just remember that your essential service offer should be repeatable and scalable for your business. These are two important keys. The second E stands for your exclusive service offer and represents your specialized offer. It doesn't get offered to everyone because everyone isn't a fit for it. For example, I offer an infinite banking solution that utilizes whole life insurance contracts that require that my clients make a certain amount of money to overfund those contracts in order to use them as a family bank and recapture the interest that they pay to Wells Fargo or Capital One or Bank of America. This is a heavy lift for me to illustrate it, to administrate it, and to service it, which is why I don't offer it to every client. But this is the offer that I implemented for my practice and noticed a 645% increase with only a handful of clients inside of a 12-month period. And if you want me to spill the tea on exactly how I did that, I created an entire video explaining what I learned and how I did it. The D is going to stand for the duration offer, and it is likely like your loyalty program. It's going to represent a source of recurring revenue for your firm, and it doesn't consume too much of your resources. I know a lot of financial planners or financial advisors that have clients that pay an annual retainer in order for them to help them with their budgeting, their taxes, their insurance, and they offer check-ins during the year to help the clients move along. You may also be a consultant like myself, where you offer maybe a valuable newsletter for a monthly subscription, exchanging ideas and value. You get the picture here. Now that you know what it's going to take to increase wallet share and to keep your clients from doing business with your competitors, you need to understand the key to doing this. And that is to make sure you're offering value with each offer type. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video when I cover move number 3. And just in case you're thinking about your existing business and feel that it could use some tweaks in light of what we've just discovered about increasing wallet share, I want you to check down in the description for a link to schedule a discovery call with me so we can talk about how we can double your business in the next year. Otherwise, click on the screen for the third move, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend.